This is the monk.
इस प्रकार
In front of I said actually he started from where? He started from his own house. He started to steal from his own house. Then from the house of gopis. That's why his name is called Makhan Chor. The word Makhan is like this. Makhan means no. Khan means calm. Where is no calm, where there is love, affection. In the heart of gopis, there is rare wealth of prem. He is stealing that actually. Khan means what? Calm, lust. So ma means no, lust. Makhan, butter. So this is the breakdown of word butter in Hindi, which means no lust. That's why this is spoken like this. Manifest mood like this. Pastimes are going on like this.
कृष्ण के इसी प्रकार
beautiful pastimes of Krishna were expressed by Satyavrat Muni, who wrote this Dhammarashtra. There are two kinds of remembrances. One is Mantramaya Upasana, one is Sarasiki Upasana. The high class Sant Mahatmas, Uttam Mahabhagat, they do Sarasiki Upasana. Depending on their mood, they are absorbed in the thoughts of the pastimes. It's called Ashtakali Leelas. In Ashtakali Leela especially, first one, what is it? Nishanta Leela. It starts from Nishanta Leela. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is explaining with 8 slokas. Explain Ashtakali Leela with scripture. Bhajan Rahasya. 2 scriptures everyone must read. One is the scripture of Tattva Siddhanta and one is to Ashtakali Leela. If you read Madhurya Kadambi, you will understand Tattva Siddhanta, from Shraddha to Prem, how will we reach. In Madhurya Kadambi, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad will explain. In Bhajan Rahasya, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the last part of Harinam Chintamani is also that when you chant holy names, all these pastimes will manifest in the heart. They create stimulation in the heart. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur, in scientific way, he explained all the Ashtakali Leelas. Mahaprabhu Shiksha Ashtak, the 8 sloka Chetadar Paramarjanam, starting from there, the last sloka is coming like this. Very beautifully expression there. Shraddha, Sadhusam, Bhajan, Kiran, Nishta, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem, like beautiful explanation is done. Depending, as the sadhak develops bhajan, as per that, pastimes keep on stimulating in the heart of the sadhak. So two types of two ways you can remember the pastimes, meditate upon them. One is Swarsiki Upasana, one is Mantramaya Upasana.
मंत्रमय उपासना सभी के लिए
Mantramaya Upasana everyone can do,
जैसे गोपाल मंत्र
like chanting Gopal Mantra,
कृष्ण मंत्र गोपाल मंत्र
Krishna Mantra, Gopal Mantra.
कृष्ण मंत्र गोपाल मंत्र आदि जप करते करते
When chanting Krishna Mantra, Gopal Mantra, slowly,
और कृष्ण की लीला आदि स्मरण करना
Krishna's pastime, remembering to that, all this process is explained.
लीला में ही
In each pastime,
इसमें ही वो
this is coming.
जैसे
Like
ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
इस प्रकार के नाम आदि ग्रंथ
he explained how to chant the holy names.
इसलिए इसके
That's why this is called
मंत्रमय
Mantramay Upasana.
इसमें
In one mantra,
जैसे पुष्प आदि
like
चयन करके
you pick the flowers, like picking the beautiful flowers one by
और
one.
जैसे सुंदर रूप में माला आदि गुंथन
And beautifully then you make a garland.
ठीक उसी
In the
प्रकार
same way,
अपने रस भागवतों के साथ भागवत पुराण आदि अनेकों
Bhagavad Puran, many
एक
scriptures.
श्लोक की जो है
Each slok
चयन करना है।
you have to pick and select, be selective with the
ठीक
slokas.
उसी प्रकार
In the same way,
श्लोकों की संग्रह करके
you have to collect the slokas and then you have to meditate upon them.
गोस्वामी पाद भी
Rupa Goswami Pad also
उपनिषद ग्रंथ
in
में
Updeshamrita he is explaining Rupa Goswami Pad is saying, what is the essence of all my instructions? This slok. Tan Nama Rupa Chaitadi. This verse is the essence of all my teachings. Krishnan Brajita Danurami Jananugami.
तो इसी प्रकार कृष्ण
Just
श्लोकों
like
में
this.
सत्यव्रत मुनि
Satyavrata Muni
बहुत सुंदर रूप में
very nicely
भावों की व्याख्या
express these all these moods. Kendra Kisi Leeladi, Ananda Pundi,
सभोस्व निमज्जनतम आख्या
Sabhosanivajantamaksa Pavantam.
तदीय सितभ्यस्तु भक्तैः पुस्तकं पुनः प्रेमस्तकं शताब्दीरं। इस प्रकार
Just like this.
घोषपल्ली
Saghosa means
अपने घोषपल्ली यानी गोकुल पश्यन्ति
Ghospali means the residents of Gokul, the citizens of Gokul. With the pastime potency, everything manifested with Leela.
आनंद रसमय अर्थात अगाध प्रेम समुद्र में गोकुल
And everyone
स्वरूप
got absorbed in the ocean of bliss
अर्थात
prema.
निरंतर
Again and again, eternally, everyone is absorbed in this ocean of prema.
इंद्र भक्ति से तत्तम अपनी भक्तवश्यता अखान परतम बताने वाली तम ईश्वरदाम का न प्रेम पूर्वक अर्थात शताब्दी सगुण बार मैं वंदना करता हूँ।
Again and again, I glorify him. By these pastimes, Krishna,
ऐश्वर्य मार्ग के भक्तों को
the mood of opulence devotees, those for them,
जो भगवान के प्रति कैसे भाव रखते हैं?
those who have what mood of opulence towards God,
ये कृष्ण
He is
दिखाते
God.
हैं ये ईश्वर जो भक्तों के निकट
In front of them,
वशीभूत नहीं है।
God is not controlled by them actually. They cannot control God. In Vaikuntha, Ayodhya,
द्वारका
Dwarka,
मथुरा
Mathura,
भक्त लोग
the devotees,
उनके प्रेम के द्वारा भगवान संपूर्ण रूप में
God cannot be controlled by that kind of mood.
ब्रज में ब्रजवासी
In Braj, by the mood of Brajvasis, Krishna is completely controlled by them. Especially Nandi of Subhasridham. Radha and Gopis, by their prem, Krishna is completely controlled by the Gopis. Like Krishna's friends, they climb on his shoulder and play with them. In Sakyabhav, Krishna, how beautifully he is playing. Sakhas are like this. Friends, they are climbing on the shoulder of Krishna. Does anyone climb on the shoulder? No. Look. Subal Sridham, they're sitting nicely. And Krishna becomes like a horse. Like he's in a crawling position, and then his friend sits on his back and Krishna falls down. Maharaj said, bring my slippers. Bal Gopal. He crawls and tries to walk, and he picks up the slippers of Nanda Maharaj. He feels they're so heavy, and then he falls down. Then again he tries to pick it up, and then he put it on his head. He put Nanda Maharaj's slippers on his head. See, very beautiful pastimes. To attain the dust of his lotus feet, Brahma, big demigods, they are doing so much austerities. Brahmaji's heart is very, very pure. In that heart, to invite Govind, you have to put a seat, right? Asan, right? Put an asan. Before chanting Arnik, you put asan, right? In the same way, to offer seat to Govinda in the heart, Brahma first he put asan in the heart. A pure asan. Not dirty one. Like 5 years you use a cloth and then you put in Thakurji. No, seva, no. Pure, clean asan is needed. What happened? Sajal ko pavitra. Kunja Sajako. Yesterday, beautiful song like this. And beautiful flowers are there in the Kunja, very beautiful mood. The Western devotees manifested to the Bangla Kirtan yesterday. Do you understand that Kirtan? Do you? Very beautiful Kirtan. With rose water, they are decorating Kunja. God is being celebrated. God is sitting on a pure seat. What does this mean? If the heart is not clean, then like Govinda only sits in the clean heart. In Braj, he is sitting in the dust. That dust is not dust actually. That is transcendental dust from outside. You see it's dust. But it's not dust. What is it? Braj Gopis. It is the dust that has touched the lotus feet of Gopis. Very nice. Prem, Sneh, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Adhiruda, Mohan, and Madanakya Mahabhav. In some, like no one likes to talk about Madanakya Mahabhav. Every day I am speaking 10 times a day, and you are hearing over and over again. But in other places, they are even afraid to take this. When I go away, then you forget, and then you remember again when I come. True or not? Shraddha Bhakti Bhakta Ruchi Shakti Bhav and Prem. Beyond Prem, there are stages of Prem. Snehaman, Pranera, Anurag, Bhav, Bhava, Ruda, Adhiruda, Mohan, Madanakya Mahabhav. I'm saying this because Brahma was not an ordinary person. Two Brahmas अर्थ है. One is Vairaj Brahma, one is Hiranya Brahma.
जिस कल्पों में
In some
ऐसे
ancient
जो
time,
जीव नहीं मिलता है,
if there is no qualified jiva in a universe, then God he accepts the position of that Brahma, and then he takes that position.
उस समय की ब्रह्मा के कार्य आदि करते हैं.
The activities of
उस
Brahma
ब्रह्मा के कार्य होता है हिरण्यगर्भ.
are done by that Brahma is called Hiranyagarbha Brahma.
स्वतः जन्म
And a
एक
jiva
जन्म
for 100 lifetimes, if they follow Varnashram Dharma properly,
तब वो
then they become qualified to become Brahma.
है, ब्रह्मा को दिखता है. उस ब्रह्मा की कार्य होता है
It is called
विराज.
Vairaj
तो
Brahma.
कितने कठोर तपस्या आदि के चित्त पे कैसे रखते हैं?
So he is always keeping his heart clean, Brahma. And his clean heart, he offers the feet, offers asana to Govinda. Sometimes God appears and sometimes not. Yadapi Sadvidirapi Pasyati. Natavana Khagram Marichim. Rupa Goswami Pad is saying,
भगवान की चरण कमल की छटा जो है, कभी
the
ब्रह्मा जी के
effulgence come emanating from the toenail of Krishna. Sometimes it comes in the heart of Brahma and sometimes not. So, how rare are his lotus feet? Can you even imagine? That's why
इसी तरह भगवत बुद्धि विराजमान.
those who have mood of
ऐसे
opulence,
व्यक्ति के प्रेम के द्वारा भगवान
by their prem, God is not controlled.
भगवान किस प्रेम के द्वारा वसूल
God is controlled by what?
एक मंत्र
Only by the prem of Braj.
इसलिए करें.
And that's why it is said, Tattavratamani, very humbly he is saying to the Lord Krishna, again and again I glorify many Leela Kathas we discussed yesterday. Depending on the pastimes, how many pastimes can I explain? Even if they are endless. That's why fruit seller story I explained yesterday.
इस प्रकार श्री कृष्ण
Like this.
प्रतिदिन ऐसे सुंदर सुंदर लीला करके
Every day Krishna performs beautiful pastimes and he is giving bliss to all the residents of Gokul.
गोशपल्ली क्या है?
वो सब बोली माने
Goshapalli means the citizens of
निगादी बेचने वाले जो है
Goshapalli, like those who sell milk, they are called Ghosh,
जो दूध आदि बेचते हैं
मिल्क
milkmen.
दूध आदि
Those who sell the milk, those who do business, those who own cows, they are called Ghosh.
दूसरी होता है
Second meaning is those who have color of Ghosh.
अघोष वर्ण
There is color also, Ghosh and Aghosh. It's Sanskrit, another meaning.
वालों जो है वाल
Gwalav
वाल सब
means cowherd boys.
वो सब बोली माने
Goshapalli means
अरे घोष वाले जो दूध
बेचने वाले
those who
काम करते
sell milk, milkmen.
हैं पल्ली माने
Palli means
पल्ली माने गाँव
village. So the village of people who sell milk. Goshapalli.
इस गाँव में वाले सब
In village all the cowherd boys, cowherd girls stay.
और वो क्या करते हैं? दूध दोहन करते रहते हैं
And they are milking the
3
cows.
बजे लोग उठ जाते हैं
They wake up at 3 a.m.
गायों की जो है सेवा आदि करते हैं
serve the
गोबर
cows.
आदि है, अलग करते हैं
and then they separate cow dung, then they bath the cows. Yeah, themselves they take bath. That's bath or not, this is another thing. But giving bath to cows is very important. They clean their house, they clean cows. Very nice. And then they carry cow dung in baskets to another place, and then they make cow dung cakes. So much work to take care of a cow. You have to do a lot of things. You have to check on the calves, you have to feed them, giving them bath, cleaning them. Taking care of cow is very hard. To get good milk from cow, you have to serve cow good. You have to feed cow good. If you don't feed cow, how will the cow give milk?
देखो ये हम पिछले गुरुदेव पढ़े घोषपल्ली
the Brajavasis.
श्री कृष्ण ब्रजवासियों को अपने मधुर मधुर लीलाओं के द्वारा
with beautiful pastimes
सराबोर कर रहे हैं.
he is giving bliss to everyone.
भगवत का ज्ञान है कि ये सर्विस सर्वशक्तिमान अनादि सत्य आदि घटन घटन शक्ति का असमर्थ सब भगवान है, उसको दिखा रहे हैं कि मैं भक्ति के द्वारा ही वशीभूत होता हूँ.
Those who have mood of opulence, to them God is showing that I can only be controlled by bhakti. With these pastimes of Braj, he is showing to whom? He is showing to the devotees of mood of opulence. Those who have mood of opulence towards Krishna, to them God is telling, he is showing them that seeing in Braj how I am completely controlled by the love of Brajvasis. Very nice. Potency of God, Gatan, Agatan. Yes. Having everything, they cannot do anything. They are lifting up Giriraj Govardhan. He lifted up Giriraj Govardhan. There is opulence there in Braj or not? Yesterday I explained. 21 miles. For 21, what? For a lot of 21 miles. What? We cannot even pick up 10 kilograms of weight. And Krishna, he lifted up a huge mountain which was 9 miles in length. 9 miles in length. Very, very huge Giriraj Govardhan. He lifted up on his pinky finger. That's why in Braj there are many opulences in Braj. In other places there are no such opulence. Shri Krishna is dancing on the 1,000 heads of Kalia. Is it possible for anyone else? Is it possible for a human to do this? No, he drank fire. He consumed fire through his mouth. Not once, 2 times. Twice he did this. Can you drink? No. Here it is also said.
इस भक्त के वशीभूत होता हूँ, उसके बतला लेंगे. चतुस्वर में भी भक्ति है. ध्रुव महाराज, प्रहलाद महाराज,
प्रहलाद महाराज, Uddhav,
सभी भक्त है.
They are all devotees. But
भक्ति से भी मैं कभी वशीभूत
by their devotion I cannot be controlled. They are devotees, but by their devotion I cannot be controlled. Mood of opulence cannot control me. They glorify to me, pray to me, but Subhashridham, Madhumangal, mother,
बाबा नंद बाबा
Nand,
सर्वोपरि
father.
उनकी भांति भक्ति हो।
If they have devotion like them, then I can be controlled, otherwise
इन
not
गोपियों
possible.
की ही श्रेष्ठ श्रीमती राधा जी
And
हैं।
among the crown jewel of all the gopis, Srimati Radhika, even if they have, even the mood that made servants of Srimati Radhika have, then they can maybe control me completely. Krishna is saying this. Watch the slope. When Srimati Radhika becomes angry,
नित्यम परसतु से शिखंड मोहि यस्या पदार सन्धि शुभानु जाया तत्के कुंजे भवनामन मार्जन भवनामन सरस्वती
Ananda Saraswati Pad is explaining,
इस कुंज में
in that kunj, Srimati Radhika,
दरवाजा बंद कर देती है
she closes the doors.
और उसी कुंज में
In that kunj, Krishna
आकर के
comes and
ऐसे बार बार
he bows down his head and glorifies. See
उस
that?
कुंज के बाहर कौन खड़ी हुई है?
Who is standing outside on the door?
उनके चरण में
The maid servant of Srimati Radhika, and Krishna is rubbing his nose on the ground in front of those maid servants. Please let me enter, please let me enter. This is called
ऐसे मधुर लीला है
sweet pastimes of Krishna. Jat King Karushu. Which book? कौन सी book से? It's from Radha Ras Sudhanidhi, Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad.
उस कुंज की
In that kunj,
जो झाड़ू
the broomstick of that page, on that kunj, have you ever used the broomstick? Where? Do you even clean?
अपना झाड़ू लगाया
Do you clean your house?
और तो छोटा सा 1.5 इंच
Your house is very small, very easy to clean, no?
3 आदमी भी रहते हैं।
Only 3 people stay there.
झाड़ू कहाँ दे
Do you even clean?
देते हैं?
You clean?
कहाँ दे
Really?
नहीं रास्ता में झाड़ू दे
Try cleaning the roads.
कभी घर में तो एक नहीं जगह ही नहीं झाड़ू देने का
There is no even space to put broomstick in house.
हैं? घर छोटा है अच्छा है ना
Small house, no problem, right?
बड़ा घर
A big house, big problem.
ज़्यादा काम रहा
Have to clean more, work more.
छोटा घर हो
Small house, no problem.
ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे देखो
Just you clean very quickly.
इसे प्रबोधानंद सरस्वती पाद
The Prabodhanand Saraswati Pad is saying in that kunj,
राधा जी मान करके मनोवती हो जाए
Radha ji becomes angry.
उस कुंज के बाहर
Outside of that kunj, Krishna,
कैसे गिड़गिड़ाते हैं
he rubs his nose on the
ये
ground.
बोलते हैं उसी कुंज के एक
That
झाड़ू के एक
he's praying, may I become like one piece of stick of that broomstick that is cleaning those kunjas.
धूली का नाम लेकर होकर के जन्म लेना भी सामान्य नहीं
It's even very, very hard to take birth as the dust of Vrindavan. That's why Uddhav is saying,
वृंदावने किमपि गुल्मो तुलसी जन जा विस्तृत सृजन आर्य पदम चेतवा वेद मुकुंद पृथ्वी कितना सुंदर भाव
very beautiful these modes are
वृंदावन में
in
दुनिया
Vrindavan.
पर फ्री भूगोल जन्म ले घास रोके जन्म
You take birth as
घास
grass.
के लिए बड़े बड़े वृक्षों की जन्म
Why grass? You can become big tree.
देखो छोटे छोटे
See,
वृक्षों राधा आदि गोपियों महाभाव में स्थित होकर
when
कृष्ण के
Radha
प्रसिद्ध धनी सुन करके
and
जब
gopis, when they are in Mahabhav, when they run towards Krishna, when they hear the sound of flute,
और उनकी शरण छोड़ के जो कहाँ पड़ जाता
their dust of lotus feet is where?
घास को
It's on the grass because they are running through the grass. And running over the grass. So the touch is being received by the grass on the lotus feet of
वृंदावन में
Sri
घास कैसे सुबह
See, grass is so fortunate in Vrindavan.
असामोहन चरण
That's why Ashamohan Charan
वृंदावन किमपि गुल्म दुर्लभो सिद्ध जा पुस्तक सजन आर्य पदम चले वो समस्त गोपियां
all the gopis,
पति पत्नी के नियम कानून सब कुछ त्याग नहीं करके
Gopis abandon everything, all social etiquette, all worldly behavior.
अपने लज्जा मान
Love, shame, patience, everything.
गुरुजनों की गंजना आदि
Even the abusings, even the chastisement given by the seniors, they don't care. Gopis don't care about that. When sadhak do bhajan, when they attain his perfection, when they enter Sakhis, assembly of Sakhis, before that, all training is being given. You cannot go straight. First training will be given to you. And that's why first mantra siddhi, sadhana siddhi, 5 kind of siddhis. There are sequence of 5 siddhis. Levels, different levels. Like you have to go level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And not be gopi like this. Sadhana siddhi. First you do asana siddhi. You are not able to sit in one place properly. Asana siddhi must be done first. Sit in one asana. Asana siddhi. You see, right? Sadhana siddhi. Mantra siddhi. And mantra. Which mantra? Gopal mantra, Kaim Gayatri. When you chant these mantras, it attains siddhis. That's why it is said. Mantra siddhi, bhava siddhi, swarup siddhi, then vastu siddhi, then like parikar kari, like the eternal associates are called parikar. But is a sadhak, even parikar boli gani, parikar बन जाता है, साधक बन जाता है, नहीं बनता है. One is eternal associates, those who are manifesting from the form potency of Srimati Radhika Lalita Vishaka. They are direct manifestation of Srimati Radhika. You cannot become that. If someone says, I am Lalita, I am Vishaka, I am this, I am that, I am Jashoda, I am Nanda, this is Ahangaro Prasna. This is impersonalist ideology. There is no bhakti here. And that's why when you do sadhan bhajan, you attain highest perfection, then first in manifest pastime, the soul enters. Even to enter there, a training is given. In a manifested pastime, you take birth, Yogamaya arrange everything. Don't worry at all, no problem. Just you chant holy names, listen Harikatha, all training will come automatically. All training is given, like in military, in police. For admission there are many rules and regulations. After selection you can go. When training is complete, then the soldiers are sent to fight, right? It's not like they are, first they give them a stick. See? You can see the traffic police. In their hand, what is there? They have like stick, not a gun. In the same way, training is given. Karna Kudi, Visuddhi Parikriya. 5 types of training is given. How to talk, how to communicate.
कैसे कान में कोई कान की तरह कैसे बोलना पड़ता है,
how you have to whisper and communicate,
दूसरे कोई सुनना नहीं,
that no one else should listen.
आप कैसे बोलते
A Sakhi, how is she communicating and whispering?
हैं? धीरे धीरे बोलते हैं,
Slowly whispering.
करना करना सभी जना विजन स्तुति पर
Dutastuti Parikriya.
निर्जन स्थान में नायक नायिका को किस प्रकार
Hero,
स्तुति
heroine.
का क्या करता है,
How to glorify them when they are
एक दूसरे
alone.
के निकट क्या करते हैं, गुणगान कीर्तन करते हैं।
In front of them, how to glorify. How to
राधा के
glorify.
निकट कृष्ण की
In front of
गुणगान
Srimati Radhika, have to glorify Krishna.
कृष्ण के प्रति कैसे,
That-
उनके कैसे,
so that-
प्रति कैसे अनुराग में थी,
Deep attachment is nourished in the heart of Srimati Radhika.
कृष्ण के प्रति कृष्ण के निकट
In front of Krishna, I have to glorify
और
Srimati
राधा जी के
Radhika.
निकट
And opposite. To Srimati Radhika, I have to worship Krishna.
नायक नायिका के इसी प्रकार
Hero, heroine roles are like this.
एक प्रकार के दूती,
3 types of
एक है
messengers.
आपदूती, संदूती,
Aptaduti, Swayamduti.
अनेक प्रकार के
Many dutis are further subdivided.
दूती स्तुति करते हैं,
दूती
कैसे
स्तुति।
स्तुति आदि करना है,
How to glorify, what to say,
ये सब
what's the tone, and next is
करना पड़ेगा। हम सके में विजय दूती स्तुति करते हैं।
इशारों में बात करें,
हाँ?
इशारों में बात करें, इंगित इच्छा।
श्लोक में करना पड़ेगा सजना सगना क्रिया और प्रतिजन को किस प्रकार वंचना करते हैं, और वो याद करते हैं, है ना? ऐसी और बधिरता
and Bhadirata.
है, जो भी उपदेश देते हैं,
Whatever instruction is given, you say yes, yes, yes. Just you move your head, yes, yes, okay.
कान में बिल्कुल घुसता ही नहीं,
And nothing enters the ear. Badhir means deaf person, like a deaf, like a complete deaf. You don't listen.
सुने तब तक
After you listen, then you're not even listening. Ears are not even open.
हजार उपदेश दो,
1000 instructions you give to them, they say,
तुम लोग कुलपति हो,
oh, you are chaste ladies.
ऐसे करना नहीं चाहिए,
You should not do this, like this, follow this rule, regulation.
सब
Whatever you say, everything is useless to them.
बधिरता।
Bhajarata, they're like a deaf person. And
वंशी में अपने कान को लगाए रखा।
हाँ,
always
सब
focusing,
कैसे रखो, कान को जो उत्कर्ण,
always open the, keep the ears open for the flute.
धनी सुनते ही निसम्म गीतम
Nisammangitam Vardhanam.
निसम्म गीतम
Nisammagita Tadananga Vardhanam Brajastriya.
उसमें से ब्रज स्त्रियां कैसे कंठा
The Brajastris. Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 2.1.333. Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu 2.1.333.
वंशी धनी सुनते ही
After hearing the sound of flute, the gopis they run. They abandon all their household activities and they run very, very quickly. Nisamma Gita.
और ऐसे और सब गोपियां सब दूर लगे,
All the gopis are running.
किंतु ऐसे कि जोगमा की
But Yog Maya arranged like this.
एक गोपी
That
दूसरे के साइड बाय
one
साइड
gopis, they are running adjacent to each other side by side. But they don't even know that they are running together. Why? Because they are fully one pointed towards Govind.
न दाएं न बाएं,
No left, right, anywhere they're not looking.
ऐसे
Only looking towards Govind. There's a saying like
बाघ
this. A
बाघ
tiger,
को शिकार करते हैं,
when they hunt,
वो टारगेट रखते हैं,
they have a target.
वो दूर करते हैं। यदि
If
शिकार को पकड़ लिया तो क्या नहीं,
they
वो आगे-
catch the tiger,
वो आगे
if they catch,
समझ में आया? क्या बोला?
what did I say?
बाघ जो टाइगर जो है ये मानो अपने जो वो हिरन की शिकार करता है।
A tiger when it's hunting the deer, they jump on. Tiger
मिला
jumps
तो
on the
मिला
deer.
नहीं, वो आगे चला, पीछे घूम कर फिर
Tiger does not look back. If he gets the deer, okay. If not, okay. He never looks back.
ये जो होता है
The face of the tiger is very heavy
आगे और जब बहुत शक्तिशाली
and the neck is very powerful.
है। आज बड़े-बड़े भैंसा को और उसके
It kills big buffaloes very quickly. Even they kill elephant
नाम से ऐसे उठा
with
कर
when they pick up the elephant with his teeth, the tiger.
हम इसलिए कर रहे
I'm
हैं
saying because
गोपियाँ एक साथ भाग रही
हैं?
gopis
गोपियाँ पैरेलल भाग रही
गोपियाँ जो जब
are running side by side to each other.
जो निसम और गीतम
That's why this verse is coming Srimad Bhagavatam 10.29.4.
तो इतने प्रबल हो जाते हैं
To meet Krishna, their desire is so much
और कुछ
so much that they don't know what's happening anywhere else. They're just looking towards Krishna. This is Purnishamagitam Tadanangam Vardhanam.
कृष्ण निमित्त मानुष
Krishna Grihita Manasa.
आगम अलक्षित
आज वो अलक्ष्य उद्याप सयत्र कांतो
Srimad Bhagavatam 10.29.4.
कितने सुंदर बने
Very beautiful
और
explanation this
उसमें
is.
गोपियाँ जब दौड़ रही है ना
And the gopis when they are running
उनकी जो कुंडल आदि इतने
the
सुंदर
earrings
दिखते हैं।
are so beautiful.
बहुत सुंदर ऐसा करना है।
Very beautiful explanation is there.
गोपियाँ देखिए गोपियाँ भी साधारण नहीं
Gopis are not ordinary.
और अपने काम तो गोविंद के साथ मिलना है बस और
They just have one focus, that how to meet to Govind.
क्योंकि इस लोग ये बहुत
That's why this sloka is very important.
याद करना
Srimad Bhagavatam 10.29.4. Everyone must remember this.
लोग याद करते हैं
Do you remember slokas or no? 10.29.4. And then 5, I thought 5 kind of trainings is given there.
करना
Very nicely they did. Karna, Karni, Stuti, Stuti, Vijayana,
चातुरी
Patu Vanjana Chaturika.
ऐसे
How to
गुरुजनों के किस प्रकार वंचना करना
how to reject and ignore the husband. Oh, they like cheat them. Like there is a lot of water in the house, but the gopis throw it so that they get an excuse so that they can go out and fill water from outside. Then they go with the empty mud pots to fill the water. It was there, but they threw it.
और इसके बाद
There are many art of cheating like this.
प्रारणे ऋषि
Kunja Pranayani Nishi.
कुंज प्राण कृष्ण के कुंज प्राण में रात के काल में किस प्रकार
At night, how to
यात्रा करना है
travel.
बादरम गुरुवाची
Madhuram Guru Vachi.
बादरम गुरुवाची
बादिरन गुरु
Madhuram Guru Vachi.
बधिरता
Badhirata.
सुनाई नहीं पड़ता
Like they are deaf.
सारे जितने को देते रहे
You can give them good instructions as much as you want, but they won't listen.
करुणा करने इस विजन विजन स्तुति प्रक्रिया पतुर्वंच का चादुरी गुणान
It's in the jewels of the heart.
बाधिज गुरुबाजी
Chapter 8, Jewels of the Heart.
उत्कर्णदीपता ईश्वरेण तदात् गुरु
भजन रस में
गुरुनाम गौरीगणम अट्ठके बहुत सुंदर है
Very beautiful this is.
धनुधरी श्रवण करने के लिए कान
To hear the sound of flute, the ears are always open, and this training is given.
है
Like for what ears are like always gopis are careful, always focused that when flute will play. Very this sloka is in Bhakti's Rasamrit Sindhu, Bhakti Goswami Pad explained.
तो इसी प्रकार
Like this.
इसमें दादा ब्रह्मादि बड़े देवता लोग जिनकी चरण
Brahma and big demigods, they are not even to obtain even the light that is coming from the tourney of Krishna and see the devotees of Braj,
रविंद्र की किस प्रकार
how
बांध
they are controlling Krishna.
माँ जसदा गोपाल
Mother Yashoda, she died Krishna.
राधा आदि गोपियाँ
Radha and gopis
प्रेम के द्वारा
with their prema, they also tied Krishna.
फूलों की माला के द्वारा
With a beautiful garland they tied him.
माधुर्य भाव
In Madhurya Bhav, in Braj
वशीभूत करने के
to
लिए
control Krishna
एक सखा विष्णु
with Sakya, Vatsalya, and third
माधुर्य
Madhurya. These moods can
सबका भाव
control
पर
Krishna,
पूर्णता नहीं
but
होता
it's not complete in the mood of friendship.
वशीभूत नहीं करता
Like completely they cannot control Krishna. They are controlling little bit, but
पूर्ण रूप
not fully.
वात्सल्य भाव के उसको
In
अधिक
Vatsalya,
होने पर भी
it is more, little bit more, but not complete also.
और माधुर्य
It's
भाव
like
के
partial control, and in Madhurya mood, it's like full control. It's completely controlled in the Madhurya mood.
इसी प्रकार ये समस्त लीला
Just like this, all these leelas.
यहाँ पर गुरु जी वर्णन कर रहे हैं
Gurudev is expressing here in this book, Sri Damodarashta.
जब श्री राधा जी को अनायास में अहित की मान हो जाता है
When Srimati Radhika becomes angry, then Krishna asks Srimati Radhika to put her lotus feet on his head.
ये श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika,
आपके मान रूपी गर्व में देश
your anger is like a poison. Please take it
हमारा
away.
गर्व खंडन
Smargala
मम
Khandana,
सिर से
Mama Shirasi Mandana.
मेरे सिर को जो है
My head,
आपके चरण में मैं
I am offering my head into your lotus feet.
देही
Dehi Padapallav Udharam.
अंत में पढ़ फिर आगे आपके चरण
Radhe, please put your lotus feet
सिर को रखो।
on my head.
इतना करो
See,
केवल गुरुदेव जी वर्णन कर रहे हैं
Gurudev is explaining that
श्री राधा जी की बात ही किया श्रीमती राधा की सहचरियां रूपमंजरी
what to say about Srimati Radhika, even the Mahar Manjuris.
जब श्री राधा जी के आगे से श्यामसुंदर को अपने कुंज में प्रवेश करने में निषेध करती है
When they stop Krishna from entering the Kunj, then Krishna grabs their feet and Krishna he cries that please let me enter.
उनके चरण में गिर कर चाटुकारी करते रहते हैं प्रार्थना करते हैं
Krishna is crying and weeping and praying to them, please let me enter the Kunj. That's why Raghunath Das Goswami also is saying that may such words manifest in my heart. The Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna,
इसके चरण में आज
today he is rolling down on the ground in the, not Srimati Radhika, he is praying to the lotus feet of Manjaris. These Manjaris to let him enter.
और सखियां क्या करती
And
हैं
Sakis, Manjaris, they are not saying, they are saying no, you cannot enter. Then Krishna,
बार-बार
again and again, he
नतमस्तक होकर
bows down in their feet
ऐसे प्रार्थना
and he prays.
इसलिए रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी का
Raghunath Goswami is saying, Padab Dustava Vinam,
नन्ना कदापि समय कील देवी जाती सखायत मम नमस्त नमस्त नित्यम दसायते मम अतः ये देवी श्रीमती राधिका
Srimati Radhika,
आप सब प्रकार के वरदान देने में समर्थ हैं
you are fully capable to give all kind of benedictions, but I do not pray anything else apart from your service. I just want your service.
मुझे तो केवल आपकी
I only
चरण कमल की सेवा में
desire to attain the service of your lotus feet. Prabhudanand Saraswati
कृष्ण ज्ञान कुंभ विद्या है
in Krishna Lila Tunga Vidya, and he is praying like this.
जब इन पुरुष भूषण भगवान नित्यम पर स्कंद मोहि यशकदार संधि समान जाय तद पिलकुंज भगवान हमारा निशा गोपियों की
Gopis,
इस प्रकार भाव
such mood.
वो भक्ति के भाव हमारे हृदय में
May such moods manifest in my heart. Who is saying this?
रघुनाथ दास
Goswami. Prabhupada
ये भाव हमारे
is
हृदय
saying
में
that such mood may manifest in my heart.
इसलिए कहते हैं
That's why he said
ये समस्त लीला बहुत
all these leelas
गोपनीय
are very confidential.
राधा कृष्ण एक ही लीला
Extremely confidential. Other moods cannot enter this. The leelas in Kunjas, they are very, very confidential. Devotees of Dasya Vatsalya, they cannot know about this. Only the Sakhis know about this.
सखी हुई थे होय यह लीला विस्तार सखी बिना यही लीला पुष्टि नहीं
Without Sakhis, this leela cannot be completed.
सखी बिना यही लीला अन्य नहीं होती सखी भाभी जी जे कार्य करी अनुगति राधा कृष्ण फिर के सिवा सत्य से ही पार सही सत्य पाई प्यार नहीं होगा इस सखी भाव प्राप्ति करने की
To attain the mood of Sakhis,
इसमें चिंतन करना पड़ेगा
you have to understand all this.
हरिनाम तो सभी करते हैं
Everyone is chanting holy names. Okay, Brahmaji is also chanting. He is chanting
3 लाख हरिनाम करते
300,000 holy names.
हैं किंतु ब्रह्मा जी
But
चिंतन नहीं करते
Brahma is not able to meditate upon this. Haridas Thakur also was not able to had like this desire that may I become the maidservant of Srimati Radhika.
हरिदास ठाकुर कौन है
Who is Haridas Thakur?
ब्रह्मा और प्रहलाद के जो है
He is
मिलकर
combined form of Brahma and Prahlad.
आदि का निकाल ये कुंज सेवा में
Did not enter the Kunj Seva.
ब्रह्मा जी की स्तुति में आ रहे हैं ब्रह्मा जी का
In Brahmaji's glorification it is coming.
वृंदावन में
In Vrindavan,
जन्म मेरे लिए तो संभव नहीं
it is impossible for me to take birth in
ताम्रध्वज,
Braj.
गोकुल में
May I take birth in Gokul?
ये वात्सल्य के स्थान में गोकुल
The
में
mood of parental affection is there. Even there,
ब्रजवासी की घर
the house of Brajvasis may become as a stone.
विशेष करके
Especially
जो
the
घर में झाड़ू देने वाली है
one who is cleaning,
टॉयलेट साफ करने वाली
those who clean the toilet.
वो लोग ब्रजवासी के घर में जाकर
When they go to the house of Brajvasis, they clean the toilet when they come back.
और अपने पैर भी साफ
And
करने
then they like rub their feet on a stone to clean their feet.
वो पत्थर हो तो
That stone I want to become, Brahma is praying.
अभी वेदम में कोई तो
And
जाओ
Brahmana Parikrama will go, see your legs will get dirty, feet will get dirty every day.
जल्दी से
It won't get off quickly.
उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा
You have to rub it
करके
you have to rub it and then clean it.
आसन
Understand?
जैसे भक्त लोग पहले से आप देखो क्या
Western devotees, they bring everything, all the scrubbers and everything with them to clean the feet. True or not? I know. See?
है कि नहीं
True or not?
ओके
Everything is scrubs, everything they bring.
ऐसे ब्रजवासी
Brajvasi.
के घर में एक पत्थर होके बैठ जाए
So Brahma is playing like this.
दासी बनने की सोचते हैं
We are thinking we become maid servant, and see Brahmaji is saying that may I will become stone in the house of a toilet cleaner.
नित्य गुरु वृंदावन धाम में
In Tulu Vrindavan Dham,
क्या अथवा कृष्ण की प्रकट लीला में
in Prakat Leela of Krishna, all this is happening.
समझ एक नित्य लीला बताइए
One is Nitya Leela, one is Naimitya Leela.
ये सब लीला को क्या कहते हैं राज आदि
Ras and these things, and the sweet mood of gopis.
ये समस्त सारी लीला क्या है नित्य लीला
All these are Nitya Leela, eternal pastimes. And Naimitya means killing of demons.
इस लीला को कहा जाता है
This is called Naimitya Leela.
चित जगत में
But in transcendental world there are no demons.
उतना कौन करेगा
Who will be Putana in transcendental world? No. Because Putana,
उतना आई थी किस
she came for what?
कृष्ण के मारने
Kill Krishna.
वह पर गोविंद को मारने के लिए वो लीला कौन करेगा
Who will kill Govinda there? No drama is going on there.
लीला सभा
Yogamaya just she creates feeling in the heart of Brajvasis that this is happening, but actually there is no Putana.
वो भी भाव मात्र का है।
It's just in the mood. Just a feeling is created.
उतना बनना ही नहीं।
You want to become Putana? Okay, no good.
देखो
See,
हम इसलिए कह रहे हैं
I'm saying this because
जिसे गुरुदेव ये करें।
Gurudev is
वर्णन
saying,
ऐसे राधा कुंड सूर्य कुंड कुसुम सरोवर
Radha
में
Kund, Sota Kund, Kusum Sarovar.
राधा जी गोपियों के राधा जी कृष्ण के साथ मिलते हैं।
Radha is meeting with
वास्तव
Krishna.
रस से भी उत्पन्न यो गोपियों की माधुर्य वास्तव रस से भी उत्पन्न यो गोपियों का माधुर्य रस है जो वास्तव रस के भी अपने परिभूत कर लेते हैं। सखाओं के साथ क्रीड़ा गायों के साथ उच्चारण ये समझते गौण कार्य प्रियतमा गोपियों के साथ विहार करना ही मुख्य कार्य है।
The primary is to perform with the gopis. So all his motive is to play with gopis. See, play like going for cow herding, they are secondary. Why is he going for cow herding? Why? So that he can meet with Sakhis.
और कोई कारण
No other reason.
इसलिए सुखदेव गोस्वामी कहा
Tata Sukdev Goswami Padi Venugeet is writing Manam Manam Tare. From one forest to another forest, Krishna is traveling. Why? To searching the gopis. Where are the gopis?
हम भगवान की खोज कर रहे हैं
We are searching God. Where is God?
और
And
भगवान कृष्ण के रहे
God Krishna is searching for gopis.
सखाओं की जो है दोपहर के समय
And after Sakhas under the tree,
सब सखाओं में विश्राम
all the Sakhas are resting, cows are resting under the shadow of tree.
एक दो घंटे करीब ब्रज में जब गर्मी के समय बहुत
But during summer, it's a very hot sun.
जून जुलाई में
Around June, July, very, very hot.
तो उस समय दोपहर के समय मानो
In afternoon,
1:30-2 बजे
1:30, 2 o'clock,
इतनी बड़ी धूप हो जाती है
very, very hot.
तो
It's
गाय सब कहाँ पर है
all the cows, they
पेड़ के नीचे
come under the shelter of a tree.
सखा लोग भी अपने भोजन करके भी
Sakhas,
विश्राम भी करते
they take rest after eating.
और उस समय कृष्ण कोई विशेष
Then Krishna,
सखा मिलेंगे प्रिय नरमा सखा
with his Priya Narma Sakhas, Subal Madhumangal,
मधुमंगल के लेकर के सुबल के लेकर कृष्ण चलते हैं
mostly Krishna is walking with Subal
राधा के साथ मिलन के लिए बहुत सहायता
because Subal helps so much
हेल्प करते हैं
to Krishna to meet with Srimati Radhika because the way of walking, talking, even his face is everything is like Srimati Radhika.
सुबल दिखने में कैसे
Subal looks like Srimati Radhika.
कितने सुंदर सुबल के रूप में
Very beautiful form is of Subal.
सुबल मिलन की कथा
That's why a meeting of Subal
वर्णन एक समय
is like explained once upon a time.
मिलने के लिए बहुत
Krishna wanted to meet Srimati Radhika.
कृष्ण सुबल कहने सुबल
Then Krishna said to Subal, anyhow you bring Srimati Radhika.
उस समय सुबल में प्रयास
At that time Subal said, okay, let me try. What did he do then?
जावट भी चली
He went to Jawat.
आज राधा जी माँ के क्या बोले
Today,
कुटिला कुटिला
Jatila Kotila,
राधा को बाहर
they were not letting Srimati Radhika go out.
कहीं जाना
They were like, you will not go anywhere today.
है और रोज कहाँ कहाँ डोलते रहते
Every day you are going here and there.
हैं कहाँ डोलते रहते
Where do you go?
अरे मेरा
Stay in the house.
कहते ना
We say like
सांस
this,
है ना
right?
बिल्कुल सांस
The mother-in-laws, they completely choke you.
है तुम भी देखते सांस बनोगे
One day you will also become mother-in-law.
बनना नहीं है
And then you will chastise your son. You don't have a son?
हैं? तुम अच्छा है
Good.
आज जो बहू है कल और कुछ दिनों के बाद क्या बनेगी
Everyone will become a mother-in-law one day.
बात ये थी,
True or not?
तुम्हारा बेटा है
You have a son, you will become mother-in-law.
अभी के बेटा नहीं थे
And those who don't have son, they will not become.
बिल्कुल
Just like
सांस नहीं सांस बने
mother-in-law, they completely choke your lives. They won't let
तो
him
उस समय
breathe.
जटिला
So Jatila Kutila,
कुट करते हैं कुटिला का जटिला
Jatila Kutila, they're always blabbering. That's why they were stopping Srimati Radhika to go out. They're like, every day you're going here and there. Where do you go? No need to go. Stay inside.
बिल्कुल ये दरवाजा के ये
They locked the door.
काम करते और इधर सुबह घूमते घूमते
When Subal came,
जटिला कुटिला के मतलब ये तो
He said-
सुबह जो कृष्ण के मित्र है
Jatila Kutila knows that Subal is friend of Krishna. Then Jatila Kutila said, get lost, why are you here?
हट जाइए चल जाइए
Get away from here. Jatila Kutila said to Krishna, Subal said, oh listen, it's so hot. I am a little bit thirsty. Please can you give me some water? Jatila said, go drink from Yamuna. Why are you coming here? Keep distance, go away from me. Jatila said like this to Subal. Then Subal, what did he do? He left his calf and the calf entered inside. He said, oh my calf friend's inside, let me take him back. She said, okay. Anyhow, Subal just wanted to enter the house. He entered the house and then and okay, I'm also thirsty. Okay, drink some water and go. Oh, give some water to him. Then Radha, she said to Radha, oh, Radha, give some water to Subal. Then Subal, he explained everything about Krishna to Srimati Radhika and said, oh Shri Radha, today Krishna will give up his life, so you must meet him. But how will she go? See, Subal is so serving internally. Subal said, do one thing, just you take my clothes. Subal said this. Then Srimati Radhika wore the clothes of Subal, and the clothes of Srimati Radhika were worn by Subal. Jatila Kutila thought Srimati Radhika is in the house. They didn't even know because Subal and Radha looked the same. Walking, talking, everything is the same. This is the speciality of Subal. Radha ji, this guy of Subal, and then one calf. And Srimati Radharani was also speaking like Subal. Then Jatila Kutila, did you drink water? Subal said yes. You got your calf? Yes. Okay, get out. Go, run away from here. Never come back again. Who said this? Jatila said to Subal. Get out. Then people say like this, Brajvasis, they are like abusing like this. Oh, if you hear abusive language of Brajvasis, so much bliss will come. People say I am Brajvasi. Tell an abusive word, ask them. If you are Brajvasi, do you know? No, you don't know. You are not Brajvasi. Brajvasi, their language, their tone is like this, always abusing. Using swear words again and again. Re ra tu ra. It's so blissful. This language is so sweet actually. He said, oh, you get lost to Subal. Now she's Srimati Radhika. Oh, you got your coffee. Yes, go. And then Subal went away. Srimati Radhika disguised as Subal. And Subal actually was inside the house, disguised as Srimati Radhika. Started to clean the kitchen like this. Subal knows everything. He knows how to cook, everything. Good. Here, Srimati Radhika in form of Subal came. Krishna saw Radharani is not coming. Subal is coming. And in the voice of Subal, Srimati Radharani said, oh Krishna, I tried a lot to bring Srimati Radhika, but today Jatila Kutila, they're not letting her come today. Krishna said, oh Subal,
यदि कृष्ण के साथ नहीं, ये राधा
If I
की
don't
नहीं
meet
मिले,
her today,
तो मैं प्राण त्याग
I will die.
क्या करूं? तब से सुबह
That
में
time,
राधा-
Srimati
सुबह में
Radhika,
राधा-
in form of Subal, said,
ये कृष्ण एक काम करो,
Krishna, do one thing.
सभी स्थल में मैं इस स्थल में जाता
I'll go to Sakhi's Thali
और मैं चंद्रावली के लिए
and I will bring Chandravali, no problem.
तब उसमें कृष्ण करने
Krishna
का
said,
दूध की जो स्वाद जो है,
Can you get the taste of milk in
मट्ठा में थोड़ी होता है।
buttermilk?
मट्ठा जो मट्ठा है ना,
Buttermilk is different and milk is different.
छाछ कैसे लगता है?
Buttermilk is
थोड़ा हल्का।
salty, that's very, very light in
फिर
texture.
दूध पीने वाले व्यक्ति के
A
यदि
person who wants milk, if you give them buttermilk, then they won't be satisfied.
चंद्रावली की राधा की कोई सुअर गिरधारी राधा की
Srimati
गिरधारी।
Radharani from Subal is saying,
अब क्या किया जाए?
what to do now, tell me.
तब कृष्ण कहने लगे,
Krishna said,
इस जमुना में बात इस कुंड में मैं
Okay, in this kunda, I will kill myself.
इसे सुनते ही राधा जी
After hearing this, Srimati Radhika started to cry
यानी सुअर गिरधारी
in form of Subal. She
ये
said,
कृष्ण मैं ही
Krishna, Radha is here, I am here.
सारी कथा तो सुन।
Then she explained everything to Krishna. Then they met.
ज़्यादा प्रतीक क्या जरूरत?
And I don't go in detail again and again. Anyway, so
एक
Then-
सखियों के साथ
with
और
Sakhi's,
सुंदर सुंदर मधुर लीलाएं हुई।
very beautiful pastimes happened.
अभी 4 बज गए।
Now it was 4:30.
वापस जाना है, अभी राधा जी
Now I have
कैसे
to go back.
कपड़ा कहाँ रह गया?
Because her clothes
जो सुबह के पास
were with Subal.
जो सुबह जावट में
And Subal was in
राधा जी
Yavat,
कपड़ा पहन करके ऊपर बैठे हैं।
wearing
अभी
clothes
वो
of
कौन सा
Srimati
कपड़ा
Radhika.
है?
Now
अभी
she is
वो
Subal.
कैसे?
Now how to
और
go
सुबह
back?
में बाहर कैसे आए?
And Subal also, how will he come out? This is also a question. It's a big problem, right?
देखो, लीला की समझ सब क्या कौन करता है? जोग में
Yogmaya, she arranged everything.
इतने समय ललिता
Different Lalita Vishaka came in Jawat. Jatila Kutila said,
देखो जटिले कोटिले हम
Jatile Kutile, we are going to bring
हमारे बोलते हैं हमारे
water from, we are going to fill water from Yamuna, so maybe she can come with us.
उस समय
At that time, Subal,
घड़ा लेकर चलता
with mud pot, he started to walk
और
out.
जटिला कुत्ता कहने लगा,
Jatila Kutila said, very quickly go, quickly come back.
इधर उधर
Don't go here and there.
वो बच के जो छोकरा है
That rascal of Braj, don't meet him.
नजर करना मत
Don't meet that rascal of Braj.
आज
Don't even look at him.
उस तरफ बिल्कुल मत देखना
Don't look at even in the direction where that rascal is sitting.
वो क्या आशीर्वाद देते हैं
They bless Srimati Radhika like this. Even Subal, they have put. So, Subal in form of Srimati Radhika.
जल्दी से
Like, go,
पानी भर के चले जाओ।
bring water.
और इधर आगे फिर
Then
दोनों मिले
they both met again on the banks of Yamuna. Then Subal
राधा जी को भी कपड़ा दे दी
and then Srimati Radhika changed the clothes again.
वो बस लेकर के फिर राधा जी के बात करते
And then they went back.
इसी के काज सुबह में भी नाम इसे कहा
See, the glories of Subal are like this. Krishna,
राधा कृष्ण की ऐसे
Radha Krishna's very, very confidential pastimes. Is
कौन सेवा करते
who is serving more? Subal.
जिसे कहते हैं सखी बिना एक लीला अन्य नहीं होती सखी भावे ये तारीफ को तारीफ नहीं तो राधा कृष्ण कुंज सेवा शब्द से ही पार सही शब्द पाई पिता नहीं हो पाए जब तक सखी भाव प्राप्त नहीं करे
You don't have the mood of Sakhis.
ये सब लीला में प्रवेश
All these
करना,
leelas
लीला-
to enter kunjas, it's impossible. That's why Gurudev is writing.
श्री राधा कृष्ण की कुंज लीला अत्यंत गुण है
Confidential pastings of Radha Krishna, very confidential. Rasa Satsa Vatsalya, for them, it's not possible to enter. Only the Sakhis can enter these confidential pastimes.
इस लीला का विस्तार होता है
Only from them it's possible for these pastimes to manifest, and they actually taste the nectar of this pastimes. Apart from them, no one else can enter there. Those who have the mood of gopis, only they can enter.
इसी प्रकार
Like this. Krishna in Braj performing beautiful pastimes. Vatsa Sakka Vatsalya. He's dipping everyone in the ocean of prema. In the fourth slok, Varam Deva Moksham Na Moksham Videva.
Varam Deva
Varam Deva Moksham Na Moksham Videva.
न चाइनम ब्रिनी अहम वरिसापति इदं ते गोकुल नाथ गोपाल बाल सदा में मनसा विराजतम। हे देव, आप सब प्रकार के गौर देने में संपूर्ण समर्थ हैं।
Oh, you are fully capable to give all kind of benedictions, but yet
पुरुषार्थ रूप मोक्ष का अथवा मोक्ष की चरम सीमा रूप
the highest form of liberation. I don't want to Vaikuntha. Two kind of things. One, two bhaktis, Vaidhi Bhakti, and one is Raghunath Bhakti. If you follow Vaidhi Bhakti, you cannot attain the moons of Braj. To attain the moon of Braj, what do you need? You need Raghunath Bhakti. That's why. So this is what Satyavrata Muni is praying. May this beautiful little Krishna may eternally manifest in my heart. I don't need anything else. Vinante Bakulanath. The beautiful face of Krishna, little Krishna, that little cute face, may it manifest in my heart. Nothing else I want. If you can give benediction, just give me this benediction. I don't want to go back on to. What do I want? I want this prema of Braj. God is very smart actually. First he is giving, take Vaikuntha Bhakti, then he is giving Ayodhya Bhakti. If you say no, then more. He will say, take Dwarka, be my wife in Dwarka. No, I don't want that. Then in Braj, in Raktapatra, take that mood. No, not this. Then take mood of Subal Shridham. No, not even that I want. Then, okay, serve in parental affection. Then, no, not even that. At the end, Madhurya mood, Madhurya prem, Gopi prem, I want. Because God first he takes test. Then he will give. Valuable thing is given after examination. When you have this greed, curiosity in your heart, then it will be given. If your stomach is full, then how will you eat? Meaning, if there are material desires in your heart, you cannot accept this mood, the Braj prem. To attain this highest mood of Braj, we have to make efforts. In the same way, we are listening to Katha, associating with devotees. Slowly, all these moods will manifest in the heart. That's why liberation in Vaikuntha, there are two types of liberation there. One is Prema Savatra, Sakha Aishwarya Uttara. Some devotees accept this Prema Seva Uttara, like Hanuman. But pure devotees, they reject everything that belongs to Vaikuntha, Ayodhya, Dwarka. What do they desire? The pond of Braj, which is highest. If you don't hear this katha, then how will you enter Braj? Krishna will come and ask, what do you want? What do you want? What you ask for, that Krishna will give, right? What do you want? First, external things Krishna will give you and reject you actually.
कृष्ण यदि छोटे भक्त के भक्ति मुक्ति दिया, प्रेम धन्ना देही रखें दुकान.
Krishna, he hides this treasure of prem and he gives everything else. Very quickly Krishna will not give prem, he hides it. He will give up other things, take this, take that, take this, take that. But if you're not satisfied with all that, and there is too much curiosity for the mode of Braj, that's why it's called Utkantamay Prem. Gopis Prem is Utkantamay Prem. About 3 kinds of Prem. One is Utkantamay Prem, one is Vivek Prem, Vishramba Prem. Vivek Prem, the love of animal, flora and fauna. It's called Vivek Prem. Also Krishna every day. He's not going to the same forest every day. Today Krishna is coming. Let him come. Okay, then Krishna goes. And Vishramba Prem is the friend, is in the friends. And Utkantamay Prem, Gopis. Only directly they want to touch Govinda, they want to see him. They want to meet directly. This is this Utkantha that they have. Uddhav went to Braj to pacify the Gopis. But everything was useless. From Dwarka, Baladev Prabhu came also to pacify Radha and Gopis, but he couldn't do this. And this is explained. They want to take darshan of Govinda directly. This is Utkantamay Prem. This is what they desire. So the Braj Prem is like this. One is Vivek Prem, Vishramba Prem and Utkantamay Prem. If you have this Utkantamay Prem, then you can attain the mood of gopis. With ordinary bhajan you cannot attain actually. You chant 4 rounds, 5 rounds. Okay, how many rounds do you chant? 2 rounds, morning, 2 evening. 4 evening, you can attain the mood of gopis? No. It's not that easy. You will not get anything. Just drink 1 glass of water. That's what you can get. In some flights, they don't even give water, right? True or not? You have to buy water in some flights. That's why 2 rounds, 4 rounds, you won't even get water. Understanding what I'm saying? You won't even get water if you chant in 2 to 4. Okay, those who don't want to chant, okay. Anyways, I encourage them, okay, chant 2 morning, 2 evening. 2 morning and 2 in evening. And all day, what will you do? Other thing. You have to encourage like this, right? Slowly. If I tell them you do 16 rounds, they will run away. 16 rounds, oh my God. If you do 16 rounds, you will get breakfast. If you do 32, you will get lunch also. And 64, you will get dinner prasad also. To attain God, to attain this mode, you have to make efforts. This is my point. Param Deva Moksham, na Moksham. What is beyond the highest liberation? That is the prema of Braj.
वैदिक भक्ति के अंतर्गत जो नवधा भक्ति जो है,
The nine limbs of bhakti in Vedic bhakti,
उस प्रेम की तरफ भगवान वशीभूत
by that God is not
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
controlled.
वैदिक भक्ति के अंतर्गत
Inside Vedic bhakti,
नवधा भक्ति पालन कर रहे
the nine limbs of bhakti, it will not give you for a prema of Braj. To attain that, this is explained.
हैं। जैसे राजा के 5 प्रकार हमको बताए गए हैं। तो सविष्ट
Like there are 5
पांच प्रकार
Savishta,
भावमयी साधन, सविष्ट
भावमय साधन, साविष्ट भावमय, भाव संबंधी साधन, भावानुकूल,
भाव अविरुद्ध
भाव विरुद्ध,
और भाव
भाव विरुद्ध. To attain the mood of Braj, this process is explained.
उस प्रकार मंत्रादि जप करने पड़ेगा,
You have to chant the connected mantras also.
चिंतन आदि करना।
You have to meditate upon the correct mantras.
इसमें बहुत कुछ इसमें
There are many process that is explained.
इसलिए
For this regard,
उस प्रकार भक्तों के साथ संग आदि के द्वारा ही धीरे धीरे उसमें सब
associating with the devotee, slowly the moods will manifest. That's why here it is said,
परम देव मोक्ष
Param Deva Moksham Na Moksham.
सत्यव्रतमणि कहते हैं हे
Sattyavrata Muni says, God,
आप सभी प्रकार के वरदान देने में समर्थ हैं।
you are fully capable to give all kind of benedictions,
ईश्वर की मूल ईश्वर है,
because you are the gods of all gods.
सबके अंशी है। आपके लिए
You are
कुछ
source of
असंभव
everything.
नहीं।
Nothing is impossible for
हे
you.
प्रभु, वांछित कुछ है मोक्ष, किंतु मुझे यह वर नहीं चाहिए।
I don't want any of this.
भागवत में विश्वास उपाख्यान भी देखा जाता
And
है।
Srimad Bhagavad Vitrasura is also saying,
तपेष्टं न च पारमेष्टं न सार्वभौमं न रसाधिपत्यं न योगसिद्धिर अपुनर्भवं वा समञ्जस्व त्वां विरहर्जतं। हे प्रभु
प्रभु,
सर्व सौभाग्य निधि, मैं आपको छोड़कर स्वर्ग ब्रह्मलोक भूमंडल का साम्राज्य, रसातल का एकछत्र राजा, योगियों की सिद्धियां, यहाँ तक भी मोक्ष भी नहीं।
I don't want anything.
मोक्ष भी दो प्रकार के हैं।
There are two kinds of liberation. One is Sukha Uttara and one is Prema Seva Uttara. In these liberation, everything, heaven, all pleasures, everything I reject.
तथा अपराध आत्ममुक्ति दुख निवृत्ति एवं ही मुक्ति, अर्थात संसार में जन्म मरण आदि दुख से आत्मिक रूप में छुटकारा पाकर निर्विशेष ब्रह्म में मिलकर एक हो जाना, यही साधु मुक्ति का है।
Stauja Mukti meaning is
श्री
explained.
सनक सनकादि चतुष्टय अपने प्रथम अवस्था में सभी मुक्ति के अभिलाष, इसी मुक्ति के अभिलाष हैं।
These 4 Kumaras of son of Brahma, they were wanting this. Saloka Sambha Prasauja
साधुज्य और शास्त्री,
Sasti.
भगवान के समान ऐश्वर्य, इन सब मुक्तियों का लक्ष्य करके दुखों के आत्यंतिक रूप से छुटकारा पाना ही है। आत्यंतिक दुख निवृत्त रेवई मुक्ति। इसमें उत्पन्न अवस्था यह है कि प्रेम सेवा मोक्ष की से नारायण चरण की पुरुष के मगर में उनका निर्विशेष मोक्ष के भी छोड़कर चतुष्ण ज्ञानी भक्त होकर प्रेम सेवा उत्तरा मोक्ष के उल्लास चतुष्ण ये लोग क्या चाहते हैं?
What do these people want? Want to merge with Brahma. And Brahma
भगवान के प्रार्थना
is praying to God,
मेरे पुत्र की रक्षा कर।
Prabhu protect my son. They were going toward liberation to merge with
और
Brahma.
ब्रह्मा जी की प्रार्थना,
And Brahma's prayer, God heard Brahma's prayer. That's why at that time God,
अपने चरण कमल में रोटी के जो मगन में
the tulsi that was offered to his lotus feet,
सुंदर सुगंध
the smell of that entered their nose on the 4 sons.
है पाई गई। और भगवान के चरण कमल की
And
सुगंध जो
after smelling that,
वो ब्रह्म ज्ञान में छोड़ करके
they left their desire to merge with Brahma and then they started to walk towards Vaikuntha. All this explanation is given. All kinds of liberation, even the opulence as of like God. Everything I reject.
प्रेम सेवा उत्तरा
Prem Seva Uttara.
नारायण के चरण में
Meditation.
निर्विशेष
After
छोड़कर प्रदर्शन
the four sons,
होकर प्रेम सेवा
they left their desire to merge with Brahma.
भगवान के भक्त इस दो प्रकार की भगवान के
Devotees of God,
जाने पर
they reject these two kinds of liberation. This is called Opinagrinante. मिल गया? Devotees don't, there is oneness of Brahma. Other four liberations, even God gives, the devotees don't accept. What devotees want? They want the mood of Braj. The four kinds of mood in Braj. What are they? Rasa, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhur. Pratpatra, mood, Rasa. Beyond that, mood of Subal Shridham, Satya Bhav. Beyond that is the mood of parental affection, Nanda Yashoda. Then the highest is mood of gopis. Like if sadhak slowly attains what they desire. When you do bhajan, slowly the moods manifest themselves actually.
निधे मतलब देने
सब कुछ विराजमान है ऐसे शुरुआत को खान समझ
It's like a treasure of fortune. It's a gold mine of fortune actually. कौन सा word?
सर्व सौभाग्य निधे बोला नहीं
इसमें दामोदर स्टफ में है. This is the meaning of Sarv Saubhagya Nidhe, which means like a treasure of fortune.